Hello guys, welcome back to Techo Maker. So today I am going to unbox my new keyboard, which is a Cosmic Byte GK26, which is newly released. I think it was released on Jan 3rd of 2022. I think nobody bought it and there were zero videos about this keyboard. So I thought let's do a review about it. So it will be fun for you guys. Just watch how am I doing the review and even the unboxing of the keyboard. So first I already unboxed it, so I packed it again. So yeah, I think you can understand what I did. So it comes in this box which has foam on top of it, and the keyboard underneath you will find a manual and a keycap puller. So I never thought that I'll get a keycap puller, but they gave. Thank you Cosmic Byte for providing a keycap puller. So let's take out the keyboard with one hand. Of course. So yeah, just take out the foams. So this is just a plug and play keyboard. This has a 20 RGB zones, the 20 modes, and you can customize the profiles. Means there is no need of any software. Just you can customize the key, like if you want this key to be eliminated. I'll show you at the last. So first I'll connect it to my PC. I think you can remember this PC. Yeah, this lets light on. This gets light on, and there's a new RGB effect. I'll show all the RGB effects. Actually, these are all the RGB effects here. I'll show you this how it works. First, if you press function and press this, these are all the RGB things. So first is all the normal one. Second is this. I'll show you. Third is just, I think this is the fading effect. And third, this is my favorite effect. So when you press a key, it goes off. When I press all the keys, they all go off. Then they turn back on. So then over. So this part is done. So when you press function and home, the new effect comes. You can see if I press any key here, it just glows like boom. If I press the space button, it will go. See, like this. Now just press it again, and it goes in a line or a row. Now this is also my favorite. So when you press a key, it ons. So if I want to press a key, so there is a problem. When I press all the keys in this, it fails. So just I need to press it again so to get it working. So just this, I don't know if this is a problem with the keyboard or don't know. Yeah. And this is the third one. You need to press function on the page up one. See, this is the starting effect. I think you saw when I was starting the keyboard. And this is the second effect of that. Yeah. Yeah, this is the nice one. Now I need to press function and delete. So this one's fading, I think. I think it comes in a different way. Yeah, I think it just changes the zones. Particular zones. Now last and least, the page down one. So I think this is the normal keyboard zones. In most of the keyboards, I think we saw this. This is also the wave, I think. Yeah, this is the wave. And I think this will just randomize some of the dots in some of the keys, sorry. Now I said 9, so very high, but I can reach that. So if I press reach, yeah, I'll try to reach, yeah. No. Yeah, I'll just press function with my elbow, and now I can see, yeah, see, you can see it changed. This is the first. You should press function and the one button, the one it will change to WASD and the escape button, and the function and the second key, it will eliminate some keys here. I think it will be useful for most of the games or something. Yeah, this is the third one, the fourth one, the fifth, the sixth, seventh, eighth. Now done. Yeah, now I said that I'll show you how to put a particular key. So just press control 9, function 9, then function end, then select a key. Now what should I select? I'll press, I'll type my name, get nut. Yeah, I wrote it wrong, just I'll correct it. Now I need to press function and escape key to just remove it. So I removed it, so I'll type it again. Now what should I type? I'll type YouTube, YOUTUBE. Guys, so I came back again. So in the manual it was just written press function plus end key to store. So I press control and end, so nothing happens. To enter the corresponding custom mode, I'll press function 9 to enter the function n to enter the recording state. Okay, now I need to record them. So end. So I think the lights are illuminating here. I think it is saying to press any key. So what should I press? I'll press A B C D. A, B, C, D. Guys, I think you should press it twice. Sometimes it doesn't register. Now I think I need to press function plus 0. Function and 0. Now what should I do? Oh, I forgot to do it again. I should press function end again just to save it. Yeah, A, B, C, D. Yeah, now this. Now done. Now it's saved, guys. Yeah, now it will not go. So if you want to take out this, just press function and escape key. So now it came to the normal mode again. So now I'll do the typing test and show you how is the sound of the keyboard. But the one major problem I found about this keyboard is the shift stabilizer. It sounds horrible than a spacebar. Before they tried to fix it, but the spacebar is fine. I like the spacebar, but the shift is very not good. It's very not good. I think you can see the sound. I think they didn't even lose the stabilizer. See this is the sound of the spacebar, and this is the sound of the shift. It sounds horrible, guys. So now I'll show you the sound test. Guys, so I think you saw the sound test. I think they sound very good. I think they were factory looped only. That's why they sound very nice. But I hate the stabilizer sound. They're not good. I didn't even like the shift. Wait, I'll give you a close-up shot. And this is the shift. And this is the spacebar. I think you can see. Very horrible. Yeah, I think this is a review. Wait, one more thing is left. It is a automatic brightness control. Not automatic, I think it's manual only. Yeah, you can dim it. You can increase it back up again. Yeah, in this the most I liked was a custom key, what we call, the custom backlight recording. I think I like that because we can set any of the keys which we want. Yeah, that will be fine. Yeah, that is it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, guys.